we're in the Gap store. And as you can see, over here,
It's like
it's cash register and everything. And of course in Nevada, whenever you're here, there is gambling everywhere. Want to do a little gambling? Here it is. Here's a couple of the gals from Gabs. You guys want to say hi?
Nope.
Oh, they don't want to say hi. They're being, I don't know. They're usually very friendly, but they must be camera shy.
I am on my picture.
Come on over here. And here's our little array of food you can get here. Here's a customer, if you can see him down there.
People don't like it.
Cold cases and things like that. So anyway, we thank you, and we just wanted to let you see what the Gap store